guys, we are at Zostel, Ooty, and let me tell you guys, it's such a great experience here. These are the dorm rooms. Yeah.
Yep.
It's not clean, bro.
This is how a bachelor room looks like.
You want to
actually.
show the rawness?
Yeah, raw.
So, again, you're supposed to leave at 6:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
But it's apparently 10 o'clock.
It's not
We're still on time, bro. I think we have enough hours left. Guys, the hostel is such a great place. You guys should definitely check it out if you're planning on traveling full time. This is the common area, and there are like dorm rooms, different kind of dorm rooms. It's such a great vibe to connect with people from different parts of the country, and then getting to know them. Also increase.
Short, bro.
We got a next level shot and you guys are going to love it. And it's pretty famous right now, you know, because a few of the travelers who have been here have already checked out his page and is following him. So, what to do?
See you at our next destination, which is Pykara Waterfalls. So guys, we're gonna sing a song for you guys. Please do appreciate it if it's good. So among us, the only one who sings pretty good is Ahad.
Pretty good actually, little good.
Better than the, both of us is Ahad. Anyway, let's get into it. Hello, एक बार है दीवानी झूठा ही सही प्यार तो कर मैं भूला नहीं हंसी मुलाकातें बेचैन करके मुझको तुझसे यूं ना तेरी नजर सर्दी की रातों में जरा जरा धड़कता है महकता है आज तो मेरा धन बदन मुझे भर ले अपने बाहों ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आजा कुഞ്ഞോളെ കുഞ്ഞാണി മാമണ്ട ചാഞ്ചാട് I'm along with the shape. Wow. Don't feed monkeys. Ahad, no food for you today, bro.
Hey guys, we have reached Pykara Waterfalls and the view from here is pretty amazing.
So apparently we're not allowed to fly drones in here. Let's hope we get pretty good shots here. Hoping you guys will be able to feel whatever we are feeling here. So peaceful. If you guys are visiting Pykara Falls, make sure you guys climb the hill here and then sit.
Yeah, it's just don't just walk around the pathway. You know, enjoy the view from here. It's pretty
you can
amazing.
see the complete view from
Yeah.
here. So see you guys at our next destination, which is Ooty Lake.
Which is Ooty Lake. You know, man.
We'll
Ooty
see.
Lake. We'll see. Right now we are standing in the middle of a horse field. It's a huge ground which is filled with horses. And as you can see, Basim have yet again crashed the drone into that pole which is over there. It's as usual. I don't know how long the drone is gonna last.
So guys, we were caught by cops for flying drone in forest area without permission. And after 30 to 45 minutes of cops drama, and pleading, we got the drone back. It's also raining right now, and their instruction was that we shouldn't fly drone in any forest area. It's only allowed in the main roads, it seems. We have reached the tea estate.
Yep.
It's also raining right now.
The amazing view, you guys cannot even imagine it.
Bro, is your camera waterproof? No. Even the drone is not waterproof. Guys, support us so that we can buy waterproof stuffs.
Sure. Any sponsors are saying,
they can
sponsor us.
Always welcomed. Yeah, so we are at Ooty boat house right now, and Ahad doesn't have stamina at all. But Akash,
Better than you.
but Akash is pro at it.
Option is from,
Who are we? Who are we? Chitipai guys. So guys, we are done with our trip going back to Bangalore. We hope you guys liked our video.
And please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
It means a lot to us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're planning on doing this often.
There are a lot of upcoming projects.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
see you soon.
Which you guys can also be a part of, by the way.
So join us. Be a free soul.
So, Free Soul signing off.
Until next time.
Yeah.
Guys, we will definitely take it out. We're caught by
Pops.
We are at Ooty Lake. Man, talk to the vlog.